So on today's video, we're gonna see how fast I can get going and still get the front tire off the ground. So maybe like a 70-mile-an-hour pop a wheelie kind of thing. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, hopefully. So at the moment he's got 750 miles on it. He's got 1,060 or 1,080 on that one.
How many is on that one?
This one's got 750. You got 1,060 on that one, it looks like. But the range meter is sitting at 316.
I'm the man.
How'd you do that there? Actually, don't reveal your secrets.
Yeah, I ain't gonna tell everybody. But yeah, 300 miles plus. This one says 93. So the driving style between the two bikes recently has been very different.
that range meter is definitely going to go down.
Oh yeah, you're gonna see it just tumble.
Yeah.
Because what I was doing was
stupid.
Hyper miling. Definitely hyper.
Yeah, hyper miling. Yeah.
All right.
The traction light and ABS light is on.
That's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it shows an error. I don't know why that bike's doing that, but it does it more when I do that hyper miling deal.
Oh.
I don't think it's designed for that.
Okay.
But it's giving me no trouble.
Yeah.
So it's under warranty.
It is.
Should be a-okay.
That one is a whole lot lower.
Did you get that little intro thing?
Yeah.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah. Clear that way.
So I'm gonna get up here to the straightaway. I'm gonna get it up to like 50, and then I'm gonna just like cruise at 50 and then pop that wheelie.
Okay.
And then I'll bump it up like 5 miles an hour each one. That cool?
Okay. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it is.
I love it. I'm going to go for 60 because I think it's out of
Okay.
That one had more junction.
Yeah.
That was nice.
Yeah.
I had to let out of it.
Yeah.
It was climbing.
Yeah, it was. I saw it.
That was a lot of mile an hour to be climbing.
Yeah.
Let's go for 70 on the way back.
All right. Whatever you want to do. The sketchiest part is seeing your front tire just...
Oh yeah.
It's bad.
Oh, I bet. I bet.
I was like, oh God.
It's a little bit of an odd feeling.
Yeah.
But when you're doing like 20, it don't go up no higher.
Yeah.
It's weird.
This is my first time closed face riding. It's actually a whole lot different than open face.
So much better.
I mean, every dirt bike I've ever had, I've always had open face helmet, you know?
Me too. This is my first one, and I would never have an open face again.
Yeah.
Yeah. That 60-mile-an-hour one was like a sweet spot.
It was.
I mean, it was like...
Yeah, it was gradually climbing.
Tipping right up.
Yeah.
Yeah. I enjoyed that.
I enjoy these.
Oh man, they're the best.
Yeah.
They're the best.
I think you are. I'm gonna have to buy one, and you're gonna have to buy another one once you get these two things put together.
Right.
Yeah.
It's a shame to have to go into debt and all that, but life's short.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Hey, but I don't have to go into debt too much longer if y'all just like, comment, subscribe, and
that's right.
Throw it, share it all with your friends.
Zero, just send me a couple more.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need all the models.
Yeah, all of them.
Yeah.
I want that new ZRF. They just ZXE.
Yeah,
the ZXE they just came out with.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah, that thing's cool.
Yes.
I think it's got the deal where you can slide the battery out and slap it on the chunk in.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
It is.
That's so cool.
The only thing I don't like about it is it doesn't have a very high top speed.
Yeah.
But going through the woods and stuff, what it was designed for, 70 mile an hour, that's all you want.
I think it'll do 100.
No, I think its top speed was 75 or something like that.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it was. I have to double check, but
I know the DSR will do 100. I thought it had the DSR motor in it, but I could be wrong.
I don't know. I have to do some more research.
Yeah, it's plenty fast.
Yeah, that thing looks really good lowered, man.
Thanks, man. Thanks, man. I thought it through.
It looks really good.
I thought it through. It feels way different too.
The fender, I'm glad you took the fender off because there is no space for it. There really is no.
If you jam on brake.
Oh, it hits the it hits the light.
Does it?
Just about.
Yeah, it's close.
It's very close.
I know it's close.
It's very close. You might want to bring it up just a smidge.
It's sketchy close.
Yeah.
But it hadn't done it. It's giving me no trouble.
Yeah.
So, like I said before, if you lower it this way, I wouldn't feel comfortable. Like if you had like a heavier person or two people on it, I'm pretty sure it would tear the light off.
Yeah.
Like you can't get much out of it.
Yeah.
Or you'd have to move the light up.
Yeah.
But
there ain't much movement. The light looks like.
You'd have to go with the pod and everything.
Yeah, everything up. I'm just saying, like from where it looks like it mounts to the fork, doesn't look like there's much room to go up.
Nah, there ain't. But every little bit.
Yeah.
You know, because like if you moved it that much, that's all you would need.
Yeah.
Because then the fork would be bottomed out.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Then you could run a fender.
Yeah.
And not hit it.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, you want to hit some curves or something?
That's fine.
Like I said, try it, push the direction you want to go.
Okay.
And see how it acts. Because when you push this side, it's gonna lean the bike that way.
Okay.
Yeah. I
usually just lean.
Like I said, just give it a little. You ain't gotta hit it hard enough. It's just awesome how the bike flips right over.
Yeah.
It's made for that.
Yeah. Something I said in a previous video, like, oh, that thing can't do a wheelie. Well, yeah, it can do a wheelie. I knew it could do a wheelie because, I mean, it's an electric motor.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Instant torque applied.
It could do a backflip if Zero didn't limit it.
Yeah,
easily. But
that's the thing. It has wheelie control from the factory.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, it has wheelie control. As soon as it senses anything up, it's not gonna, it's gonna instantly
pull torque.
Pull torque right out of it, pull power. Yeah. So yeah, that's why I said, oh, that thing can't do a wheelie.
Yeah.
But it made for a pretty good video, I think.
It did. It was funny. It was funny listening to you get contradicted. It did a little pop with it right there.
Yeah, I meant to clarify that in that video.
That was the first attempt too, by the way.
Yeah.
And I really was pulling on it because I didn't know that you let off the throttle and then jump back on it and it'll really pick it up. So at that time, I muscled that one. But now it's like power wheelie.
Yeah, you picked that bike up.
I did. I just forced it into the air.
You will ride this wheelie.
Yeah. I'm surprised the handlebars didn't come off and just be like, I was pulling on it that hard. But yeah. So if you try to do a wheelie on your SRF, let out the throttle and jump back in it and pull up at the same time. It'll pick it right up. So yeah.
It will.
It will. And that was fun.
Yeah.
We rode for like almost an hour.
Yeah, probably. Man, it's 4 o'clock. Yeah.
And it was a blast. It was a blast.
Every minute of it.
Yeah. I'm exhausted.
It is 95 degrees outside, probably 110 with the humidity.
Oh yeah.
Heat index and stuff.
Heat index is horrific.
Yeah, no matter how much air you're going across you,
that does affect range.
Yeah.
When it's this hot, your battery temp gauge is like at the top all the time, even when you first start.
Yeah.
So your range is definitely affected. So if you saw that when we were talking about it, I mean, we burned a lot of battery, but for one, we were ripping it.
Very much so.
And then for 2, it's hot as Satan's bedroom.
It's so
Outside
hot.
on Sunday, it's awful.
It's so
So,
hot.
yeah. But we're gonna get out of here, and y'all keep between the ditches. Peace out.
Peace out. Catch you later.
Tell me, why do I still feel so alone?